Toyota Financial's bold goal required a partner that could be flexible, could arrive on the scene with a special forces mentality of small, fast, agile teams, and ultimately roll with the punches while crafting a high-quality solution.
I needed to bring in partners that I knew and that were trusted for me. Launch Consulting was one of those partners.
Launch's role was to set the roadmap for massive transformation before any lines of code are ever written.
So what they did first was come in and provide what they called a point of view. And what this was partnering with my team to come up with a perspective on how to solve and support the vision that I had put out there.
Over the course of this strategy engagement, Launch had the opportunity to interview over 150 different individuals at TFS. We did that so we understood not only how this data was going to be used, but how that data fit into the everyday work lives of the individuals at Toyota.
In my experience, what those sorts of exercises have a tendency to do is to look for pain points. And then consultants like to go solve those pain points because it has a tendency to generate a revenue stream. What I found unique about Launch's approach was that they didn't use it for that. It was used to actually help validate the point of view that we were building and give credence to the decisions that we were making.
Launch's role was to inform, to plan, and to ultimately lay out the work streams, the tools, and the overall foundation for execution.
He really got to the heart of the matter of what Toyota Financial Services is and what we were trying to do.
As the timeline rolls into execution, Launch actively takes part in the transformation journey. Our job was to create the BI, analytics, and data science enterprise data platform. Onboarding 50 different data sources from a number of industry entities can take a long time. All of these data sources in their raw form had to go into one central location.
We were connecting technologies that we had never experienced before and bringing them to bear in a quick fashion. So that required a lot of Launch's expertise to lean in. So it was a very collaborative process. So Launch is a very enthusiastic partner, and they bring fresh ideas to bear every day, which was important because it was a lot of pressure for Toyota Financial Services and the TFS team. We actually hit our goal, and it's one of the things that I'm very proud of.
At Launch, we call ourselves navigators in the age of transformation, and it's not just a tagline, it's something we believe, and it's also how we act. We make our clients' goals our own through the twists and turns of digital transformation.